Something that comes up quite often is that sometimes the steering wheel can go a little bit crooked. This is almost always the case after you lift the vehicle, but it can also sometimes happen if the front suspension is hit with excessive side forces, say from rock crawling or other off-road activities. What's causing this is the holes in the track bar bracket and the track bar are a little oversized. The current generation of Jeeps rely on clamping strength and not hole size to keep things from moving around. Because of this, you cannot disconnect one or both ends of the track bar and expect it to wind up in the exact same place. If the track bar shifts at all, the steering wheel will shift. Fortunately, the solution to this problem is quite simple. All you need to do is adjust the drag link. If you have the TeraFlex HD Forged drag link kit, it's super easy. If your steering wheel is crooked after going on an off-road excursion, check the torque on the track bar just to make sure it isn't an issue. Other things that can affect the steering wheel are a bent drag link or tie rod. Make sure the front wheels are pointed forward and not turned to one side or the other. On the drag link, loosen the clamp bolts. Adjust the drag link until the steering wheel is no longer crooked. It helps to have someone in the cab watching the wheel. Tighten the clamp bolts and take the vehicle for a quick drive around the block to check that the steering wheel is how you want it. If you need to make any adjustments, then do so and repeat the process until you are happy with the way the steering wheel is. Once you are done adjusting, torque the clamp bolts to 60 foot-pounds. When you tighten the second bolt, the first will loosen just a little bit. Go back and forth until both bolts are tightened to 60 foot-pounds. Now you know what to do if you have a crooked steering wheel.